this truck is just super clean, man. Let me switch y'all up. Damn, this is a nice truck. Man, this is a nice truck. I wonder whose truck this is, y'all. Anybody knows whose truck this is? Because this sucker is clean, you know? You know what? I think this is a 77 F350. I think it used to be a dump truck converted into, man, look at the seats, man. He got the King Rancher seats in there. Man. Y'all know who truck that is. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.